You may connect up to 6 compatible Bluetooth devices. The connecting procedure varies according to each cellular phone model. To check the compatibility of your device, please visit www.nissanusa.com/Bluetooth. To connect a phone to the Bluetooth system, the vehicle must be stationary. Touch this icon, Connections, Device, then Add Device. A message will appear on your vehicle's screen directing you to enable Bluetooth on your device. Ensure that the code on your vehicle's screen matches the code displayed on your device. In your device's Bluetooth menu, ensure that notifications are enabled. If the software on your phone has been updated and you are experiencing difficulties using the Bluetooth system, it may help to delete and then reconnect the phone. To do this, touch this icon, Connections, Device, then the icon by the name of the phone you wish to delete. Touch Delete, then Yes. Once your device is removed, repeat the connection procedure. From the device key, you can touch to switch to a different Bluetooth device. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.